Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to show you guys how I bleach my knots and customize my lace front wig. So this wig is from UNice hair. This wig is so beautiful. You guys are going to see throughout the video, but this hair was so thick, was so full, and it just looks so amazing. There was no shedding or tangling, and this hair is perfect for a glueless install, and I love glueless. So I didn't even have to add a band to the back. Like, this wig just fit my head so perfectly, like you can see here, and the lace was awesome as well. But let's go ahead and jump into the bleaching. So you're gonna take some powdered bleach here, the BW2, and then I think I have 40 volume developer. So you just mix the two like I am here, and I'm going to show you the consistency. So you can have it a little bit thicker than I did it. I don't know why I did it so like thin, but yeah, after you mix the two together, go ahead and just spread it on your lace. Now I did, to prep the hair, I do spray hairspray across the front of the hairline just to make sure that that bleach doesn't seep through and then dye the hair as well. So yeah, go ahead and just spread it on across the top very lightly, as if you were like icing a cake. Done with that, you're just gonna let it sit until the knots are bleached. So I don't have a set time that I do this. I just do it until I see the knots have all like changed color, or like the majority has changed from those black dots, you know. But after that, I do go ahead and shampoo with a purple shampoo. I use the Shimmer Lights, I think it's called. I know some people don't like that one, but I don't know. That's the one I had, girl, so that's what I used. But whatever. Okay, see, the hair is all finished here, and I just set it down like on my counter until it's ready, and I check it every so often. But this is the hair after it has been shampooed and conditioned. I did let it air dry, and then I just did a quick little blow dry to finish it off. So the hair is, like I said, was perfect. No shedding, no tangling. This hair is so thick, so full. It took to the curls so well, and the curls lasted. Like, this wig is so pretty. And I didn't even do a lot of plucking. So I'm gonna start customizing here. And I didn't do a lot of plucking at all. Like you saw in the beginning that they had the baby hairs already. That's definitely enough, but I just went in for a little bit more. But I definitely wanted a natural look, and this wig was everything. Like, it literally gave me the look I was looking for. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Go ahead and check out the description box below if you're looking for a new wig like this. This is it, like I'm telling you. So definitely check them out. And yep, here I just finished plucking. Nothing major. Like, it's really, I didn't do anything too serious. This is really beginner friendly. And like I said, I'm gonna install it without putting a band on there. Putting a band at the putting a band in so that I can wear it glueless. Like, the clips that are in this unit already makes it perfect for you to be able to wear it glueless like I did. So super beginner friendly, super beginner friendly. But I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and see. I just did simple curls because of how full this hair is. I'm like, okay, I have to do some curls, and the curls lasted. So yes, this hair was so pretty. Okay guys, so like I said before, I did not add an extra elastic band to secure this wig down. It just is super secure because of the way this unit is made. Like, I love this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out my ear tabs and then cut the lace off. And then of course my ear tabs were a little bit loose, so I just used some Gatsby spray to keep those down, and everything else, no glue needed, nothing like that. So easy, so beginner friendly. Like, this one, and I have a larger size head, and this fit me perfectly. So if you have a big head like I do, yes, this is gonna work out for you. But yeah, I think this is it. I'm just gonna add in some baby hairs, you know, nothing serious, and then that's the end of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I've already talked a lot, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. To keep you here with me, oh baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Help me make her understand y'all was made to dance like this. Y'all was made to bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she wanted to, man. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I said, yo, you're the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, cause she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say, yo, I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh yeah, across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, yo, I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. I would love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now shorty, grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just 1-2 step, 1-2 step. Now if the music is moving too fast, got my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me want to say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. So you come across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. This is the last dance for you. I would love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. I would love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, where she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, I know you're tryna leave, excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. I would love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, help me make her understand y'all was made to dance.